Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at a powerhouse kitchen upgrade that brings outdoor grill performance indoors, the Ninja IG651 Foodi Smart XL Pro 7-in-1 Indoor Grill and Griddle Combo. If you want a single machine that sears, grills, crisps, air fries, and cooks everything with precision, this is one of the most versatile units Ninja has ever released. Right away, the first thing you notice is the Pro Power Grate and Flat Top system. This gives you restaurant-level searing at high heat, allowing steaks, burgers, and seafood to get that deep char without smoke taking over your kitchen. And because the unit can be used open or closed, you can cook hibachi style on the flat top or shut the lid for rapid convection grilling that locks in heat and moisture. The heating performance is consistent across the surface, making the griddle perfect for breakfast foods, sandwiches, fried rice, vegetables, and smashed burgers. One of the biggest advantages is the 7-in-1 function. You're not just grilling, you're also getting air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and the full griddle experience in a single machine. The air fry mode uses Ninja's high-velocity heat circulation to deliver crisp results with less oil, perfect for fries, wings, and snacks. The dehydration setting works surprisingly well with fruits, jerky, and herbs. Everything is controlled with an intuitive panel that makes switching modes quick and simple. The included Smart Thermometer is a major highlight. It tracks food temperature in real time, eliminating the guesswork and ensuring meat hits the exact doneness you want. Whether you're aiming for rare steak or well-done chicken, the thermometer syncs with the grill to adjust cooking automatically. The crisper basket lets you cook sides while grilling your main dish, making it efficient for complete meals. Cleanup is straightforward too. The non-stick surfaces, removable grate, and accessories make the process fast and painless after heavy cooking sessions. Whether you're meal prepping, cooking for the family, or upgrading to a smarter indoor grill that replaces multiple appliances, the Ninja IG651 delivers seriously powerful performance. If you want to grab one for yourself, the Amazon link is below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring the newest tech with Gadgetverse. Buy yours on Amazon and elevate your cooking instantly.